Hello friends, welcome to your Lordships. In today's video, we are going to discuss the idea behind Vidhi Ashram. Vidhi Ashram is a unique residential coaching institute founded in the year 2017, which trains aspirants for various competitive exams like for judiciary, for prosecution officers, legal officers, and likewise. It envisions education as a spiritual and intellectual journey. Here in Vidhi Ashram, the concept of character building, legal aptitude, and practical exposure is integrated. It is built to provide principled, sharp, and fearless judicial officers. Let us now discuss the mission and vision of Vidhi Ashram. The mission is to become India's leading institute preparing students for a life of justice, fairness, and constitutional service. Our vision is to restore the sanctity of training future judicial officers by ethical mentoring, discipline, and courtroom readiness. Now the question arises as to what makes Vidhi Ashram different from other institutions. Firstly, here the law is treated as a way of life and not just a subject. Secondly, Vidhi Ashram works on a blend of Vedic discipline with modern legal reasoning. Mentorship goes beyond the classroom, and various values like ethics, mindset, and growth are focused. Every session is a step towards becoming a judge in practice and also in the spirit. The key features of Vidhi Ashram includes an in-house residential setup wherein it is in the form of legal Gurukul. It works on a holistic approach of bringing all-round development of an aspirant. Academic and character training is also included. It is equipped with state-of-the-art campus which is located in Greater Noida. And in-house hostel facility has been provided which is equipped with modern technologies, AC rooms, hygienic mess, and safety protocols have also been kept in mind. Now coming to the academic and personal growth facilities that are provided to the aspirants in Vidhi Ashram. It includes a 24/7 library access with digital support. It includes the medical conditioning of the aspirants. Sessions like yoga, gym, de-stress activities facilities are provided. The Safalta Mentorship Program is a unique initiative of Vidhi Ashram wherein individual progress of each and every aspirant has been tracked and kept attention. Peer-to-peer learning is facilitated in the environment in Vidhi Ashram wherein group discussion, synergy building that has been focused. The Vidhi Ashram does not only provide guidance for cracking various competitive exams, but it also provides legal career support to the aspirants. Firstly, the aspirants will be supported in getting their enrollment in state bar councils and also for cracking the All India bar exams. Bar council help and exam preparation will also be facilitated. Placement assistance with a network of more than 1,000 senior advocates with Vidhi Ashram will be utilized and the students will be given access to it. The students will have practical courtroom exposure. They will be able to practice the law without any burden on logistical facilities. Dual benefit course can also be given to the students based on their preference. If they want to study LLM, the Vidhi Ashram will facilitate their pursuing LLM on campus at a subsidized fees. The Vidhi Ashram comes with a comprehensive curriculum structure which runs over a period of 45 months, which is divided into 5 phases. It is for final year students and also for fresh graduates. The first phase will be a 13-month on-campus course wherein foundation training in legal principles and judicial aptitude will be given. In the second phase, a 24 months mentorship program and test series is included, wherein ongoing guidance and practice examinations to build the competence. The third phase includes a 3-month immersive prelims preparation focused on preparation for preliminary examinations, cracking the preliminary examinations, The fourth phase will be a 4 months main crash course wherein intensive training for cracking various judicial services mains examination will be focused without any extra additional fees. And lastly, the fifth phase will be a 1 month interview guidance program, which is obviously be free, in which the students and the aspirants will be given guidance for preparation of interview for various judicial services exam and also the other exams. Kindly contact at the details provided in the video in order to serve the nation with best possible guidance. Thanks a lot.